Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be playing Sophie's Curse. So this is a scary game we about to play, and it already might be very scary. This is a very old game and I wanted to try it. I saw it on Steam. I had to buy it. I want to see how scary it is. It has warning, loud noises and jump scares, and I can already tell this is about to be very hard. So let's go to the quick guide. The rules of the game are simple. Don't let the light run out of power, that's it. Well, not really. Sophie can be pretty mean. First of all, use the save point whenever you are at the save point. Nothing can happen to you unless a device run out of power or you don't fix an error note. The save point changes location frequently. Use the laptop to locate it. If you are charging a device and Sophie makes a creepy sound, it means she's behind you. Stop charging the device immediately. Sometimes Sophie likes to appear at some location. Learn these locations and try not to look at them for long. If she appears, run to the opposite way. Also, be careful when you are moving through these locations, because if she appears and you click where she is, well, you're pretty much screwed. Yeah. There are also times when Sophie ruins a device and this makes the whole system fail. Don't worry, the recovery system will reboot them automatically in a few seconds. If this happens, try to get to your save point as fast as you can. The save point is the key for surviving. Alright. Well, what are we waiting for? New game, baby. This mode is great for new players. It starts easy and it gets harder each checkpoint. This mode is harder for skilled players that like to be challenged. Alright, I'm just starting to play this game. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm going with Curse. I don't want to go with Nightmare. Fuck that. Right click to use computer. Hey Robert, are you there? Is it true Sophie is really in the house? Just in case, stay away from the darkness. I can't type. I can't type. Okay, so here's my save point. So this is the second floor and the save point is on D. So they're both working. B is going down. I gotta go recharge it. Okay, oh my god, that scared me a little bit, but it was just a thunder. It's just a thunder. Okay, but what are these graphics? Okay, so I only need to use a mouse. I don't need to use keyboard. Okay, well, that's good. Okay, D is in the second floor, right? This is C over here. C is working pretty fine. Let's go to D. Recharge D. Okay, still needs to be recharged. Okay, perfect. Okay, we're doing good. So it's 7:25 p.m. and I feel like every hour is a night, maybe. Okay, so A and B are going down. We gotta go fix them. This is B. And go to A. Here's A. Easy. Okay, C is getting down. We have to go fix that. Got that. Oh boy. I'm already creeping out. Oh sh. Go to the computer now. Open. My save point is still on D. Lighting devices software prototype. The 0.08786. Oh my god, that scared the living life out of me. Let me go to my computer. I'm doing some research. Sophie was a good girl, 19-year-old, a perfect GPA student, no criminal records. She was just a nice girl, and one day she just disappeared. Damn. Okay, so my save point is now on A. Did I hear something? Nah.
Shit, he dead!
Oh my living life. Okay, I'm dead. Okay, I'm dead. Ain't no way I'm surviving. I really don't wanna. What is that noise? What was that? Oh my! If y'all think that I'm about to play this game again for another part, oh hell no! Like, look at this. Look at this. Ready? See it? I don't know if you can see it. It's right here. See, it's all the way up. I don't wanna do it down because this has to be a jump for me. Damn. I'm trying to. Like, oh dang, this is hard, bro. And these jump scares really gave me the chills, and it does say the warning on the game, and I might be screwed. I don't think I should play this game, bro. This game is creeping me out, but I have to do it. To do it for you guys. I am really sorry, guys, for not downloading much YouTube videos on my YouTube channel, but you know, I had to do one for y'all because I was just busy. Sorry about that. I don't know what I'm hearing. I'm hearing a lot of shit, bro. Oh my goodness! You've got to be kidding me, dog. Bro, I didn't even hear her. Nah, bro, this shit is... What happens if I play this on nightmare mode then? Bro, I would die. I would literally die. A and B are literally gonna die. I gotta fix them. Oh my god! Go to my freaking save point. I'm running. I got an achievement. Run. I got it. Survivor. Hey, I survived. Oh, what happened to my screen? There we go. Go. Fix it. So we gotta make it now to 10 p.m. Hell nah! You gotta be kidding me. What am I supposed to do now? She's definitely down there. I'm cooked. I have no choice. I have to go fix Pete. Go up. Shit. I'm at my save point. You can't kill me. Oh my god! Oh, I'm dead. I'm actually dead. How am I doing this? Just gotta make it to 10 a.m. I mean 10 p.m. My bad. Sorry. Please. Come on. Go to my save point now. I'm cooked. Come on, please. Go. Go. Bro, I'm so scared. Fix. Go. I'm hearing whispering in my ears. Oh god. I'm dead. I keep saying it because I know I will be dead.
Parkour!
Oh hell no! Get up, go. Save point. What the fuck was that, bro? Oh, I'm dead. I'm just gonna keep winding it. Bro, I can hear her. I'm dead. Bro, these jump scares can come out unexpected even though I know they am, bro. What the f***? Oh, I hear those sounds. Get out. Get, just go. I'm dead. Look at my computer now. My save point is D. I went to D, bro. Now look at this. If I wind one, she's gonna kill me. Never mind. No, 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 no. I heard a light bulb. Fix A. Wait. Okay. Go up, go up, go up. Go up. Fix C. Turn. Oh hell no. Please don't kill me. I hear her. Please don't kill me. My goodness. Fix it. No. Go to my computer. Sorry if I'm being too quiet. I'm just really focused. Go to my save point now. Go, 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 go. Bro, are you... Oh my god! How did I not die? How did I not die? How did I not die? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I'm dead. Oh! Come on, bro. You for real? God damn it. I hear those, whatever those things are. Just hit it. Sorry if I'm being too quiet. I'm just fully focused and I'm dead. Or not. Bro, I hear weird shit going downstairs and upstairs. It can't be two monsters, can it? Overcharged. Charge this device 100 times! Oh my goodness. I just got an achievement. Oh. Wait, what am I doing? I'm dead. Are you for real? Nah, I might be dead. My save point changes every time. Every time she can appear on me. I don't know how I survived that. I honestly don't know how I survived that. Come on, bro. 9 p.m. Okay, I'm dead. Never mind! Oh my goodness! I really thought I died. Go on my computer. Now. Go to my safe point now. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. I'm at D. I'm okay. I'm good. I'm good. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Hold on. Wait. Give me a few seconds.